Isometric projection. Isometric projection is a method for visually representing three-dimensional objects in two dimensions in technical and engineering drawings. Isometric drawing. Isometric drawing is another way of presenting designs or drawings in three dimensions. The example opposite has been drawn with a 30-degree set square. Designs are always drawn at 30 degrees in isometric projection. Isometric projection is a method for visually representing three-dimensional objects in two dimensions in technical and engineering drawings. It is an axonometric projection in which the three coordinate axes appear equally foreshortened and the angles between any two of them are 120 degrees. How to make an isometric drawing. Step 1. If the starting point is not given, begin your drawing about 1 up from the title block and 2/3s across the page from the left margin. Step 2. From the starting point, draw lines 30 degrees. To the left, 30 degrees. To the right, and 90 degrees. Up with light construction lines. Step 3. Place the length measurement on the 30 degrees. To the left line, the thickness measurement on the 30 degrees. To the right line, and the height measurement on the 90 degrees. Up line. Step 4. Erase success lines back to each mark. Step 5. Draw construction lines 30 degrees. To the left and 30 degrees. To the right from the height mark. Step 6. Draw lines 90 degrees. Up from both ends. Step 7. Erase success lines back to each intersection. Step 8. Draw construction lines 30 degrees. To the left and 30 degrees. To the right from each end until they intersect. Convert all construction lines to visible lines. Circle and arc in isometric. 4-center method is usually used when drawn an isometric ellipse with drawing instrument. 1. Locate the center of an ellipse. 2. Construct an isometric square. 3. Construct a perpendicular bisector from each tangent point. 4. Locate the 4 centers. 5. Draw the arcs with these centers and tangent to isometric square. How to draw an ellipse composed of 4 arcs using a compass. 1. Trace an isometric square. 2. Find the center of the square using diagonals, then trace the axis lines. 3. Finally, trace the median lines. The meeting point of the median shows the center of the 4 arcs of the circle. Showing circles and arcs of circles in isometrics. Circles and arcs of circles on isometric planes are shown in isometric projection using ellipses within an isometric square. The sides of the square are equal to the diameter of the circle and each side of the circle touches the square. To draw a circle in isometric perspective on the computer, use a modified circle inserted into an isometric square. To draw it as a sketch or with a compass, draw 4 arcs of the circle in an isometric square.